I want each video to have a keyword theme. You want to try to have an overall theme to your keywords used so they all are very relevant to this video. I see much better SEO when I am laser focused with my tags, such as using long tail keyword variations of my main target keyword in this tag section. Too many of my clients try to rank for every keyword search phrase with one video. Pick a main target keyword and build your YouTube video SEO around that with your title, description, and tags. Your title, description, and tags should match the viewer's search query intent, the reason why a user searches this keyword phrase to begin with. Besides just copying tags or keywords from other popular videos, you can also use vidIQ, TubeBuddy, YouTube, Google Search Suggest, Google Keyword Planner, and other software to research high search volume keywords. My first keyword research tool is the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer. So click that TubeBuddy extension button on your youtube.com once it's installed on Google Chrome, and in this pop-up menu, select Keyword Explorer. Next is YouTube Search Suggest. Type your main topic into the youtube.com search bar and write down all of these suggested keywords to add to your video's title, description, and tags. As you can see, I typed in Facebook ads and I got a great suggestion from it. Facebook ads for local business. You can add an asterisk before your main keyword to add suggested keywords in front of your main keyword. This is a great hack for finding long tail keywords. So I added that in front of Facebook ads, and look at these suggestions. How to create Facebook ads, retargeting Facebook ads, and so on. Next, do the same thing in Google search. Type your main topic into google.com search bar and write down all of these suggested keywords, which you can add to your title, descriptions, and tags. Next, go to Coursenvy.com/longtailpro. This is a great keyword research tool that helps you find specifically how competitive each keyword is. And you can find some low-hanging fruit that has a high search volume and not much competition. Next, I use the free tool Google Keyword Planner. Just create a free Google Ads account, and in that top nav bar under Tools and Settings, in that menu, select Keyword Planner. I will use Google Keyword Planner to not only find new keyword ideas, but to also research the monthly search volume of the tags I want to include in my YouTube video. As you can see this example, Facebook retargeting, average monthly searches in Google, 1,000. Thanks for checking out Coursenvy. Please take 1 second to like, subscribe, and comment anything below. These 3 things are the key to getting your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results.